band, and this is our first time performing, so hope you enjoy us. We would like to thank Palm Deli for having us. This is a really awesome place to perform. We would also like to thank Grind Out Hunger, because this is a fundraiser for them. You should totally buy raffle tickets, because your money helps support feeding people and young musicians wanting to perform and stuff. And obviously I'm not the best speaker, but you know.
Yeah, you are.
Alright, so in our band we have Kamoxley on lead guitar. We've got Levi on guitar. We've got Matt over here. Yoga Matt on bass. Yep. And we've got Marissa on drums, and she's only 8 years old. She's so adorable, and she's amazing. Oh my gosh. Yes. And yeah. Hi. I'm Zaraya, and I'm the singer. Oh, we have a guest keyboardist, Salticon from Slime.
Alright, you might know this song. I'm sure if you do. And we love dancers. Just watch out for the lines. Alright.
Got a black magic woman. I got a black magic woman. Got me so blind I can't see. That she's a black magic woman. She's trying to make it out of me. Don't turn your back on me, baby. Don't turn your back on me, baby. Don't turn your back on me, baby. Stop messing around with your tricks. Don't turn your back on me, baby. You just might feel like you sticks. You got your spell on me, baby. You got your spell on me, baby. You got your spell on me, baby. Turning my heart into stone. I need you so bad, magic woman, I can't leave you
Alone.
you all so much.